Do you want to have fun producing reels that are effective, creative, and easily to edit? I bet you do. That's why today we're talking about the new version of templates by Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Templates feature has existed since last year, but recently head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, announced Templates 2.0, an updated and upgraded version of this feature, which will help you be more creative, more effective, have fun, and of course, save time using this new feature so you can create the reels that you want to. So let's get started right over here. First thing you gotta do is go on Instagram, tap on Reels, okay? Once you do that, you're gonna have three different options. It says camera, drafts, and templates. You're gonna click on templates right over there, okay? When you go in, you have four different features inside of templates, which is recommended for you, trending, saved audio, and save. So you can see them right over there, okay? So let's start with recommended for you, which means it's recommended depending on your likes, on your saves, on what you have enjoyed, and what you have created in the past. So it will look different for everyone, okay? Because as the name says it, it's recommended for you. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the one that you liked, you enjoyed, and immediately as you do, it says use template and replace the clips with your own. Okay, so you're gonna go step by step and replace it until you fill up the whole template that is under the recommended for you option, okay? Once you do, you add the media and immediately it's there and you can check it over and see how it looks. Now, remember, this is called a template, which means you cannot change it because it's already pre-done, pre-made for you to help you save time and to use the style of another creator to make your reels, okay? Now let's go to the other option, which is trending, which I think is pretty cool because now that you already have the trending audios, now you have trending templates. So it's a great opportunity to put your content out there, to connect with new people, to share different style, but staying true to your brand, okay? So you're gonna click there, the same thing that we did with the other one, and you're gonna replace the content with your own. So you're gonna do step by step until it's all filled. Once it's done, you said add media and it's done, and then you can see your content with the template that you selected in the trending section. Now let's go to saved audio, which is really cool. Remember that you can save audio, the ones that you really enjoy and like it, and you can use it for later. Now, once you save audio, immediately some audios are connected to a specific template. So you have saved audio and save template at the same time, which is pretty cool. So the same thing that you do is you select the one that you like with the audio that you saved, and you just click there. And the same thing, you just replace your content with the content of the other creator. Just replace it to create your own reel, to create your own template, okay? And once it's done, that's it. Now, finally, we have the saved ones, which means these are the reels that you saved in the past, right? And that you now have the opportunity of creating content from them. Remember, some reels have the option of creating templates, some don't. But that's why going to the selection saves you time, okay? So here are a few things that I want to clarify. Once you create a reel, you're creating your own template, okay? So how can you know this? Because there's an option you can turn it on or off of if you want the reel that you created to become a template. I would say leave it on if you want to, but if you don't, that's up to you. The other thing is, it means it is a template because once you use a template, you cannot change it because you're using a template, so you can edit faster, be creative, and use the style of another creator to help you do something different with your own content. If you have any questions, if you have anything more about 2.0 that you want to know about templates, leave the questions right here. As I said, this feature is new, it's updated, it already existed before, but this is something new to offer to create reels in a different way. Hope you enjoyed it. All the best.